close there.
Alright, so put the mask on. Ready? Want to do the watermelon? Here, put them on our nose. Here, go.
You're okay, bud.
Here, ready? Like this. Want to try? You like it. Yummy. Here. Ready? Say watch. Watch. Look. Want to do the pumpkin?
See how mommy does it?
Yeah. Want to try?
No, I want to try. My doing
His whole life, work in the jungle. He never see tourists. But we surprised because he changed behavior so quick.
Yeah.
Because of normally work in the jungle, don't see the people. When they see a lot of people, mostly they can be aggressive at the beginning. But during he arriving here, he very calm and very quiet.
I think he.
So many of these elephants, he was saying, are coming from logging industries, and then like tourist riding businesses that they get sold to the sanctuary because of old age, and they basically their bodies break down and they kind of stop working. 43 years, but I think she's older than that. But we follow the passport of elephant. She's 43. Family, both sides of her, she's blind, 100%. Look, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
We are back from the elephants, and the whole experience was just so humbling. I felt like the caretakers actually cared about the elephants, and I thought it was awesome how they were just so, I don't even know, like personal with them. Like they all had names, and the caretakers were so passionate about it. I loved it.